In this video I'm going to show you how to turn old wood floorboards into usable timber. So as you can see on the edge, they've all got a tongue on one side and a groove on the other. First thing I'm going to do is to use the track saw to remove that tongue. I do this by lining up the edge of the rail with the tongue and then making a plunge cut with the track saw to remove it. I then have to repeat this process on all the boards. As you can see here, it leaves me with one smooth edge. Now myself, I don't like to have a lot of waste, so this is why I've chose to do all of this work to get these boards into usable timber. And as I live in England, I use the offcuts to get a bit of heat. I then take it over to the jointer to remove all the old finish off the top of the boards and to get a nice flat face. Now some of these boards were quite cupped and some of them were bowed, so it took a good few passes to get the finish off on some of these boards. Now as you can see, the top is now perfectly flat with all the finish removed. Now to gain access to the thicknesser, I need to remove the fence from the jointer and lift up the infeed and outfeed table and flip over the extractor hood. And now I'll raise the bed to have the thickness of my thickest board, run all the boards through at that thickness, reduce it down and keep running them through until I've got a flat face on the opposite side. So I'd run all the boards through at the same thickness, put them in one pile, then I'll sort through the pile to see which ones are finished, then reduce the height and send the ones through that are not. Then over to the table saw, I would raise the blade up so it's just protruding slightly higher than my thickest board, and then I would leave it at that height for all the boards. I'm just going to put a feather board in place just to make sure all the boards are held nice and tight against the fence. Now using the micro jig grippers, I'll use these to push the boards through, removing the groove and get the boards parallel. Now this is a very repetitive process, but with the cost of timber at the moment and when all of this timber was just going to end up going in the bin, I think this is well worth the time. And the final step is to head over to the miter saw and use that to remove the tongue and the groove off of either end. And this is what all that old flooring turned into. Thanks for watching, and you'll see me in the next one.